know what you need and you can get it on site. Yeah. Cause I ain't like the others, soon you're gonna discover it's that type.
The bang. Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you guys can see, this will be a little mini tutorial on how I got this look with this bang wig from Nadula hair. And Nadula is becoming my favorite company. I worked with them a couple of times, as you guys know, multiple times actually. So this time they sent me this. I thought it was a great idea for fall. It's burgundy, it's bangs, it's cozy, you know, it's very versatile. You can wear it like dressed up or dressed down, so I love it. I'm just a lover of bangs. Literally when I was in like middle school, I had my sister cut my bangs, so my natural hair bangs, so I was really obsessed with them back then. And then I was wearing like headbands with them. I was just, you know, having a good time. And that was back when Nicki Minaj was like, you know, freshly out and she had the bangs. It was Barbie, this and that. So I love bangs. Like, I don't shun bangs. Just gonna go with the packaging first and foremost. There is a edge brush comb. There is another, ooh, there's another makeup bag, you guys. This one is like metallic, really cute. If you guys didn't see the other video, it just opens and, like, you know, it can get filled with stuff, so I really like that. There's hair. There's hair on my lip. Also inside they included 2 nude wig caps and a headband. So thank you guys so much. I really like this. It gives me vintage vibes, like schoolgirl vibes. So I definitely will be having a look with that. Probably with like a swoop bang mini skirt, something cute. I'm gonna come up with it. Shipping did not take long for this wig at all. It was via FedEx under 4 days, I believe. It may have took exactly 4, so don't quote me, but FedEx is generally fast. You definitely get your stuff under 5 days and under a week. So just pulling up the wig that I got, a 99J colored straight burgundy wig, and I have 20 inches. They have 18 and 20 available. Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, and Indian. I believe this is Brazilian. So if you guys were to get this, it would literally only be $150 and some change. But y'all, that's a deal. Like, it's so cute. You literally can take it on and off. You guys are gonna see the cap construction because I'm gonna go over that, you know, in the video. So I'm not gonna talk, you guys. Just head off. Just want to hop on and let you guys see. The hair is relatively long for it to be 20 inches. Now it goes to under my boobs. Now for reference, I am 5'3". Also, I want to just say a quick disclaimer. Don't judge the bangs, y'all, because I had to cut them on camera and I tried my hardest, which is why I'm in my room, so I can look forward at my vanity. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let me know what you guys think about this wig. I want to let you guys know there is a promotion going on with Nadula. I partnered with them to get you guys a discount. So the discount code YTBGIFT will get you guys an extra 10% off of your order, and you can get 5 gifts with your order. So definitely take advantage of that discount code. I will link everything in the description for you guys. If you guys have any questions or anything of that sort, let me know. I like the wig, y'all. It's cute. Y'all definitely gonna see me on the gram in this. Like, it's a really adorable wig, and I love that you don't gotta worry about lace. You don't gotta worry about nothing, baby girl. Just put your wig on, brush your little bangs out, run the flat iron through it, wand it, whatever you want, and you're good to go. So not gonna talk much longer. Let's hop into this tutorial, and like always, I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video.
Discover it's that type of loving that can change your life. Ooh, I got all the time in the world, no expectations at all. I just want what's best for you, girl. Relieve that headache, babe. I'm getting tired of now. You don't deserve your time, but I'm on the bench you out. Let me do you better. blessing, baby. If you let me, I can ease your mind. Yeah, you need to face it. I am no replacement. I'm the better version. Call me 2.5. Oh yeah.